Hello again everybody, we'll learn today how to clean a gear. This is a spare gear. You will need an old toothbrush, a gear, a plastic bag, and this lubricant. E80 or anything resembles it. Let's start by removing the dust. Let's continue. Its face and its back. Again, this is the face. You want to see the final results. After that, clean it with a piece of cloth. Don't put water in it because we don't want to rust it. This is the result after cleaning with a piece of cloth. After that, we'll take a new plastic bag, put the gear inside it, clean it well, remove any dust or any rust, and we'll put it and leave it with the lubricant for 24 hours at least. Carefully spray on it. And leave it for 24 hours. And this is the result. After cleaning it with the WD-40, it becomes more shiny.